A very good morning. I would like to bid to Dr. Hasinda, my supervisor, as well as the internal examiner. My name is Dinesh Nadaraja and I'm a chemical engineering student. Today I am here for my proposal defense of my FYP title, which is the detection index for butterfly shape based stiction detection method. What is stiction? Stiction, which is also known as static friction, is the force that must be overcome by two surfaces in contact to enable motion. Stiction normally happens in valves during the static phase. The smooth movement of valves from the static phase is hindered by stiction, which when it overcomes will lead to a sudden jerking movement, which is coined slip jump. Why is stiction important? Stiction is significant because it can cause control loops to oscillate. When control loops oscillate, you will deviate from desired operating conditions, which will then lead to disrupted operations, poorer product quality, increased material and energy consumption, which will lead to increased operating costs. There has been several studies that have indicated that about 20 to 30% of control loops oscillate due to valve non-linearities, where the prevalent source of non-linearities is stiction. Valve stiction causes limit cycles, which are oscillations that are periodic finite amplitude instabilities that lead to variability in product quality, accelerate equipment wear, and lead to system instability. Okay, problem statement. Every processing plant aims for optimal processing conditions, trying to get the best product quality with minimal loss from the process. A recent study published by from UTP has developed a method of stiction detection called the butterfly shape based method. This method is purely visual means of stiction detection. However, this is not practical in a plant setting where there are more than hundreds of valves that needs to be monitored. So this method has to be automated and detected reliably. Okay, the objectives of my project is to develop an automated stiction index for the butterfly shape based method using appropriate functions in MATLAB that will simplify stiction detection. Okay, and to test and validate the results using 26 industrial datasets. Literature review. Stiction occurs when the static phase of a valve movement is moving in a different direction. It is defined as the smooth movement in response to a varying input and is preceded by an abrupt jump, which is called the slip jump. It occurs when a large amount of potential energy in the valve is suddenly converted into kinetic energy. It is a repetitive process that wears the control valve and will lead to further complications if left unmonitored. There are generally four categories of accepted methods of stiction detection, which are cost correlation function based, non-linearity detection based, waveform shape based, and cycle patterns based. Here are some of the literature that I've referenced. Yamashita used detecting patterns in the MVOP plot for stiction detection. Okay, this method has excellent stiction detection performance. Chowdhury used the non-Gaussianity index and the non-linearity index. Srinivasan used the Hammerstein model framework. However, this method could lead to misdiagnosis in non-linear processes. Rossi and Scully developed the relay technique, which is complex and requires more computation effort. Haglund developed the shape analysis of the waveform. This method is straightforward and simple, and however, the diagnosis is significantly affected if there are higher noise levels. Stockman developed a principal component analysis. He used principal component analysis. This data does not need to be corrected for noise as required by other methods. Kamarudin developed the butterfly shape based detection. However, that method is a purely visual method which need to be developed further to be automated. Okay, these are the tools that I'll be using: MATLAB and Microsoft Excel, and the datasets I will be processing are 26 normalized industrial datasets. This simulation project aims to present a simple method of stiction detection by scanning images of normalized datasets. The graph in the images are using this plot, which the dataset is then first inserted into MATLAB and then plotted to create the graph. Then various functions within MATLAB would be tested against the graph to find commonalities where stiction occurs against graph, where no stiction occurs. Okay, on the left you will see a data set where no stiction occurs, and on the right you will see a graph of the data set where stiction happens. Okay, as you can see, there is a butterfly shape in this graph, and this method of stiction detection was developed by Kamarudin. Okay, the experimental procedure of this project will be collecting data from industrial plants, which will then be inputted into MATLAB software. Okay, the graphs will be generated and then processed using the image processor within MATLAB. Okay, then the results from this image processor will be generated, and then will be compared to calculate the accuracy of image processing. Okay, methodology. The image processor within MATLAB will be used to investigate two different methods. We will try to calculate the R-square using the image processor, which will analyze the regression line in the graph, or we may use the BW boundaries function, which will trace the exterior boundaries of objects as well as the boundaries of holes inside these objects in a binary image. This is the Gantt chart of the project timeline of FYP1. This is for FYP2. Okay, the milestones of this project is the confirmation of project title, completing planning and starting project, reviewing articles for the literature review purpose, starting simulation and analyzing results that has been obtained, and verification of data against the tested data. The preliminary results, we have run a few tests on the industrial data set to find the R-squared value of the regression line. The testing indicates there is no success with stiction detection using this method, as all the graphs are greatly varied, leading to generally low R-squared values. So in conclusion, further simplifying stiction detection by utilizing software and automated processes can lead to a further optimized plant due to the reduced human error and faster detection method. Thank you and good day.